Maruti Suzuki has released the details of the S-Cross facelift ahead of its launch in India. The S-Cross facelift gets a bold new design language, making it look imposing. The two-slat grille has been replaced by the vertically stacked grille and is flanked by reworked headlamps. It also gets a new set of LED DRLs with projector lamps. Under the hood, we'll see the 1.3-litre diesel engine only, but now available with the smart hybrid system. Dual airbags and ABS are standard, and the company says that the model is compliant with the upcoming safety norms as well. The dates of the 2018 Delhi Auto Expo have been announced, and the motor show has been scheduled from February 9th to the 14th. The 14th edition of the Auto Expo will be held at the India Expo Mart in Greater Noida. This time around, the motor show will be on for an additional day because of the rising interest and increasing footfalls of the visitors. While we will be welcoming car makers like Kia to India in this expo, we will miss the Volkswagen Group in this edition. Datsun has launched a limited edition of its entry-level hatchback, the Redi-GO. It's called the Gold Edition and is priced at 3,69,000 rupees. The Gold Edition will be only available in the more powerful 1-litre version and will come in 3 colors: silver, white and grey. It gets a stylish design pattern on the bonnet, rear and the sides, and gold accents on the wheel cover and the front grille. The rest of the features like reverse parking sensor and music system have been carried forward from the S variant.
Did you like that video? Well, we've got plenty more and you've got to get them on our channel. Subscribe now.